Hello, my friends. I welcome all of you back to my Southern Kitchen and the 6th episode of Ellen's ChristKwan Series. It is December, my friends, and you know what that means. It's cookie season. So today I'm going to share with all of y'all an oatmeal cookie, but with a twist. It is the ultimate holiday cookie. We're going to make cranberry pecan oatmeal cookies. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. Thebomb.com delicious, and it's going to be full of fresh cranberries and pecans. It is next level good. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this, even Santa Claus when he comes down the chimney. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And for more cookie recipes, check out my cookies recipes playlist and my previous video, Southern Spoon Bread. I'll post a link to those down below in the description box. So grab your oatmeal, your pecans, your cranberries, and your cookie sheet sugar, because we're about to bake some cranberry pecan oatmeal cookie magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is measure up our dry ingredients in my bowl and sifter. We're going to add in 3/4 of a cup of all-purpose flour. This is a half. And a 1/4. And into our flour, we're going to add in a 1/2 teaspoon each of ground cinnamon and baking soda and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to sift these together, or you can whisk them. Alright, so now we're going to set the dry ingredients aside while we work on our wet ingredients. In my stand mixer with the paddle attachment, I have a 1/2 cup, which is 1 stick or 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter at room temperature. And into our butter, we're going to add in our sugars, 2 tablespoons of white sugar and a 1/2 cup of packed light brown sugar. And we're going to cream these on medium speed until they're fluffy. Alright, my friends, to our butter and sugars, we're going to add in 1 extra large egg at room temperature and mix that in. Now we're going to add in 1 1/4 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract and the zest of an orange. Mix those in until they're well incorporated. Alright, my friends, I increased my speed to low. We're going to add in our flour mixture. Last is the flour. Mix it in until it's well blended. Alrighty, my friends, I'm through mixing up my dough. There's a few more things we got to add to it. The stars of the show. 1 1/2 cups of old-fashioned rolled oatmeal, a 1/2 cup of roasted cranberries. I roasted them in the oven at 200 degrees for about 10 minutes, and a 1/2 cup of chopped pecans that I toasted on 350 degrees for about 5 minutes. And fold them in. Smells good. Can smell the orange zest and the vanilla and the roasted cranberries. And the toasted pecans and roasted cranberries will bring out the flavor. Alrighty, as soon as I get through folding in everything, I'll bring you back. Alrighty, my friends, and just that quickly, our cookie dough is complete. So now we're going to cover the bowl with plastic wrap. So now we're going to place the dough in the refrigerator and we're going to let it chill for 1 hour. Alrighty, my friends, our dough is nice and chilled. Perfect. Now we're ready to form them into cookies. So using my ice cream scoop, we're going to dollop the dough like so. And we're going to scoop them onto a 9 by 13 inch cookie sheet that I lined with parchment paper, or you can use aluminum foil. Alrighty, I'm going to go ahead and finish with the rest of my cookies and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I got all my cookies together. Now we're ready to put them in the oven. Oven's preheated to 350 degrees. We're going to let them bake for 10 minutes. And I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I have taken my cookies out of the oven. And it smells heavenly. Love the smell of freshly baked cookies. So now I'm going to let them rest for 5 minutes and then I'll plate them up. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Cranberry Pecan Oatmeal Cookies. Doesn't that look good? So now I'm about to fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I fixed me up a plate. And of course, you can't have cookies without a good old glass of cold milk. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Look at this cookie. Nice and golden brown on the bottom. Have a bite. Chewy. I can taste the oatmeal and the cranberries are nice and juicy. And I love that crunch from the pecans. These cookies screams the holiday season. These are phenomenal, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Cranberry pecan oatmeal cookie-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.